We're all falling and we need a place to hide.
What are you guys doing over there?
A safe place somewhere in the woods, we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay until the break of dawn. Cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind. Can't you see? We need some time. And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now.
Go, Kelly. Kelly, you go. Nice. Take the big one.
And we all sit around